Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at how to withdraw AIX and swap AIX wallet coin to USDC. Currently, this is the worth of AIX now. Here's my address, and this is my own 10,000 AIX. AIX is currently listed on BitGet, and here is the easiest method. Simply search for BitGet Swap Bot on the Telegram. Ensure it's correct. Select the Start button. Click on Open Wallet. Create wallet if you don't have one, import if you do. I'll grab my key, paste it, and log in. Alright guys, I'm in now. So right now you need to have all the transaction fees ready. To do that, simply select ETH, select deposit, copy your address, and add at least 0.05 ETH for fees to it. So right here I have mine, let's go. Now choose AIX. Convert. Click on Connect. From here, go to the AIX wallet. Select Invite. Your invite hash will appear. Copy it and go back to BitGet. Paste it here. Voila. All right, confirm the name, network, and symbol are correct. The decimals say 18, then click on Confirm. All right, now it's connected and the balance reflects here as 10,000. For now, only 10,000 AIX is allowed. So let's go with that. Get quote. All right, so it's currently worth 4,450. The transaction fee is 0.047. That's around $200. Ensure you got it and then click on Confirm. Awesome. So now confirm. It might take a while to reflect. All you need to do is refresh and wait. All right, so how do you withdraw? Pretty easy. Select USDC. Choose withdrawal. Grab your address. Put it here, it auto-detects the network. Enter the amount. Let's do 4,400. The fee's about 1.76. All right, let's withdraw. So it's gonna arrive in some minutes. All right, guys, so let me check my balance right now. Refresh. Wow, this is awesome. It's here, guys. Guys, the AIX team did a good job on this one. So let's check the AIX app. It has been deducted. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more guides.